Oh, here we go. Oh, crap. Whoa. Yes. Oh, crap. What's going on? And welcome back to my channel, Joe Zaccardelli. And I think it is about time that we go ahead and see if we can at least get this advertising display fixed. And as a bonus, we might go ahead and try to get into this Longines as well. Don't know if I'll have the parts or not. I went ahead and I did buy a couple different sizes of batteries because I wanted to take it apart on camera. So if they don't work, maybe we'll have to do some Hollywood magic and come back with the correct light bulbs for either one of these. We'll see. It has been a while because I ended up getting a huge watchmaker's estate, ended up having truckloads of items. This guy was one of the finds that I ended up getting. Very happy with it. This is the reason for the delay, because I did want to get this video out immediately. As fate would have it, as soon as I got the batteries about to do the video, I got a call. I immediately rushed over there, dropped everything. Needless to say, if you ever dealt with 6, 7, 8 truckloads of watchmaker stuff, it takes up a little bit of room. So I had to go through and start organizing, separating. Still not done enough to get some of the stuff out of the way so we can make a video. Before we get into it, please take a minute to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're always up to date on what's going on this channel, because lots of things are happening right now, and it would mean a lot. All right, time to get into it. We got our light bulbs, we got our Phillips head. Let's go ahead and get into it. I believe from the way it looks, we just take off these screws without throwing them across the room. It should pop out fairly simply. There we go. Boom, it does. Man, if everything was that easy. Okay, as you can see, here is the battery. Here is the mechanism. Well, it should just come out. Oh, crap. I do not have the right light bulb. Awesome. Okay. Well, let's set this guy aside. And this light bulb. Let's see if we can get lucky with the Longines. You know, when one door shuts, another opens. Should I just bring out my Milwaukee Impact? Just probably make quicker of this cardboard bottom. Might be a bad thing though. Let's hope there's only 4 screws. Well, we know there's 4 screws. Let's hope that's the only thing holding this bottom in. Set those out of the way. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, crap. That is a problem. I have no idea what those are. Okay, well, at least they're... So we got a chance. Let me see if I can plug a light bulb in. Look at that Hollywood magic. Plug this bad boy in. Now if this works, I'm not gonna keep it. I want the tubes, if it will light up or not. So let's see if the watch gods are shining on us or not. Whoa. Yes. All right. I think that's just, it is bright. All right, let's put this on here and just see what it looks like. Just blind the camera. Okay, I can't set this totally down because it's not flat. We need the flat. I don't want to break the glass. So here it is. It does work, and it is dusty. Mirage, Longines, you're alive. Welcome back. Okay, there we go. Well, we just got to get the right bulbs, and we will be in business.
I will be back. Shazam!
Gotta love that movie magic, right? When I was thinking about it, like 2 out of 3 of the original ones wouldn't have been bad, but I struck out on every single level. Like these aren't gonna work for anything. So awesome. When I was walking around looking for a light bulb, I was like, you know what? I could have stole one out of our fridge or possibly our stove, but I still would have needed to get these. So here we go. Let's go ahead and do the Longines Mirage. Get this guy going, and then we will move on to the Accutron. I ended up getting the just GE. I got LEDs. I originally had bright ones, but I went medium because I didn't really want to get overly bright. I was also thinking about doing cool daylight and a warm color, but decided, you know what, I'm not gonna get fancy. Let's just get this thing going and see where it takes us. Let's go ahead and carefully get this in. I say carefully, and then I start slamming things. Still should probably break out that drill, be a little faster. There's one. Uh-oh, it's catching. There's 2. From my count, we're halfway done. 3/4 of the way done. And now, whoa. Jumping bean. I'm a little excited. I like this kind of stuff. Hope you guys do too. Hopefully I don't slip on movements like that. Good gosh, out of control. There we go. Okay, moment of truth. Da 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 da. Get this situated right here. In theory, this should work. Yes. Yes. Does it look good? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at it. I'm coming around. Oh, yeah, that looks good to me. All right, well, there we go. The Mirage is no longer a mirage, it is working. There it is, it's real. That went better than expected. That was one I didn't think I was gonna be able to get going. Now, let's get this guy. Hopefully, this one will work. Looks like the same light. All right, now let's go ahead and get this in here. I did kind of want to have those other ones. I did really want those other ones to work because it's an LED, burns the light's just a little different, a little cleaner, not as warm, and then that way I figured the colors would pop. But oh well. Yeah, let's try it like that with the feet down. That might work out a little better. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm excited. Let's see. Aww. Come on. Let's click it. Yes. Here it is. Look at that. Right now, I just want to quote A Christmas Story. It's beautiful. Probably better than the leg in my opinion. Accutron Bulova. Little fiber optics. Ooh. Little 4th of July action going on. I mean, I'm not sure if you can hear this or not, but this guy is loud. We may have to go in there and put some 3-in-1 in there or something. Because that guy is going pretty crazy. I'm not sure. Is that not lighting up? Oh, I think that's just a steady light. Or does that change? I don't know. I'm happy. Thank you for coming on this journey. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think these are pretty cool. Do I keep them? Do I sell them? Do I trade them? What should I do? Love to hear what you think. This one's probably going to stay here. This one might go up there. You never know. All right. If you enjoy this type of video, please, I would love a like. Love it if you could subscribe. And as always, be on the look for mechanical art. The hunt is real. Until next time, see you later. Yes. Boom, boom. Microphone check.
I like you, but you're crazy. You're crazy, man.
We dive into at least fixing this Accutron. And it's about time